So resident performance. So also as a resident, you will, like one of the performance measures I mentioned was the milestones. Also, you'll have evaluations during your rotations as well. You'll have monthly evaluations, and also you'll have 6-month evaluations as well every single month. Every 6 months. So you'll be able to see how your performance is. Are you improving? Are you getting less? And these are important because let's say in 6 months you're still at the same level, or you got worse. Well, that could be something you could be evaluating yourself, and your attending will tell you, so you can actually take the next steps so you can improve. The other thing about it is that we take something called an in-service exam. Okay. So during residency, you'll be taking something called an in-service exam. It's just like USMLE, but you take it every single year, okay? And the thing about this exam, let me actually let's talk about it first, and then I'll show you an example of an exam or how to actually get access to this exam. So so it depends on the residency, but in family medicine and internal medicine, for example, it's very important because this in-service exam will help you pass your board exam. Now, in terms of each program, it depends on how they use it. Some programs don't care much. They just say, hey, take it on the weekend, use your books, whatever you want. Some programs actually use it as an evaluation tool. Okay, so what I mean by that is they will take it very seriously. Okay, if you're not improving on it, they'll think like, oh my gosh, maybe you need to, have more board prep. Um, some programs are just going to be like, just take it on the weekend. That's it. So it just depends on the program. And let me give you an example. Actually, let me actually go to the website. Let's go to. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Let's go to a website here. All right. So this. Okay. Let me actually. So for example, this is for pathology. So it's called the RISE exam. It's an in-service RISE exam right here. And this is what we take. We basically take it online. It's pretty much 2 hours for the anatomical part, and it's 2 hours for the clinical part. And then we also have descriptors, okay? So what I mean by that, descriptors are basically a preview on what is expected on the exam. So this is the 2014. Every year they give you a descriptor, and it tells you what they tested the year before. So for example, you can see over here in cytopathology, they talked about recognition of endometrial adenocarcinoma, for example. Okay, and it gives you a list of topics. For forensics, they give you a list, and so forth. So then this is how you study from it. Okay.